Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. In this video, we delve into the world of Toyota Landcruisers and explore why the diesel version is a popular choice among enthusiasts. From its fuel efficiency to its off-road capabilities, we discuss why if it's a Toyota Landcruiser, it must be diesel. Join us as we uncover the reasons behind this popular preference. Stay tuned for all the details you need to know about owning a diesel Toyota Landcruiser. Remember, if it's a Toyota Landcruiser, it must be diesel. You'll never believe how much money you'll save on gas by choosing a diesel Toyota Landcruiser over the petrol version. Start by asking the viewers, did you know that the Toyota Landcruiser has a long-standing reputation for being a diesel vehicle? Have you ever wondered why whenever someone mentions a Toyota Landcruiser, the immediate thought goes to a diesel engine? Well, let's dive into this interesting automotive phenomenon. Discuss the potential confusion or misconception around the Toyota Landcruiser being exclusively diesel. It's not uncommon to hear people assume that every Toyota Landcruiser is powered by a diesel engine. This misconception has been around for years, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Explore the reasons behind the strong connection between Toyota Landcruiser and diesel engines, such as durability and off-road performance. One of the main reasons for the strong association between Toyota Landcruiser and diesel engines is their reputation for durability and reliability, especially in challenging off-road conditions. Diesel engines are known for their torque, which is crucial for tasks like towing and navigating tough terrains. Highlight the key features that make the Toyota Landcruiser a popular choice for diesel enthusiasts. The Toyota Landcruiser's robust build, exceptional towing capacity, and impressive off-road capabilities make it an ideal match for diesel engines. The fuel efficiency and torque provided by diesel powertrains further enhance the Landcruiser's performance and appeal to adventure seekers and off-road enthusiasts. Summarize the main points discussed, emphasizing the historical and practical reasons for the Toyota Landcruiser's diesel reputation. The Toyota Landcruiser's long-standing association with diesel engines is rooted in its history of rugged performance and reliability. From conquering off-road trails to towing heavy loads, the Landcruiser's diesel engines have proven their worth time and time again. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts on the Toyota Landcruiser and consider subscribing for more automotive content. What are your thoughts on the Toyota Landcruiser and its diesel legacy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content and join our community of enthusiasts.